In this video, I will show you how you can earn up to $900 or more using ChatGPT. Before I tell you how to start making money with ChatGPT, let me quickly explain how this unique technology works for those who don't know. ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and the built-in Chatbot generates text based on written prompts in an advanced and creative way. You can type anything in the chat, as if you were chatting with a friend in the AI. Chatbot will give you a detailed answer in seconds. For example, let's ask the chatbot to summarize the book, Atomic Habits, which usually costs up to $100 to do. But now, thanks to ChatGPT, you only need one click to get a summarized book in seconds. Can you imagine how much time and money we can save at the same time? Can you imagine the opportunities of making money using ChatGPT? Now let's start. If you go to Fiverr.com, one of the biggest freelance marketplaces worldwide, you'll notice that the book/ebook writing service is currently popular, and it has limited competition compared to other services, because as you know, becoming a good copywriter takes a lot of time and experience. That's why you'll find people who will charge up to $100 an hour for different copywriting services. But don't worry, you don't have to spend years learning copywriting skills. Instead, we will use ChatGPT to do the hard work for us. But let's say your client needs an ebook about habit control. All you need to do is head to chat-openai.com and let the chatbot write the book for you. And here is where most people fail, because even if ChatGPT is super smart with the answers, you still have to be specific and creative in how you lead the chat. So please don't ask the chatbot to write an ebook and that's it. No, split the process into different stages to get high-quality results. Let me show you what I mean by that. So again, we need to write an ebook about habits control. The first thing we have to do is generate a name for that book. So we start by asking the chatbot to give us some options. Once you have a name for your book, we can move on to the base of every book, the outline structure, or the book's content. As you can see, we now have a base from which we can start. All you need to do is start section by section based on the generated outline structure. Keep in mind that the process might take some time, but it will generate a professionally written ebook and will guarantee you stand out from the crowd. If you want me to share more methods of making money using ChatGPT, then just let me know down in the comments section down below, as I will be more than happy to show you many more methods to generate money online. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for me. I will appreciate it so much.